Hi, this is Steve. Just want to give a quick indicator tutorial. This is the indicator that Joel, you made, and this is what I'm kind of looking for. Basically, it's just a reversal bar. As you can see, I've got a different tick charts here. There's five. These are set obviously for different levels in the reversal bars, but there's 4 different levels. The indicator itself. Well, here, I'll tell you what I'm using. Down here, I use the audio, so if you're going to turn it off, it gets too annoying. I have special audio alerts in here, just I've made myself. So you could just, turn off the audio. If you actually don't even want to see it, you can turn it off. There's a nice quick switches. I love those. Basically, as it goes up, it's just going to flick to the other side. The indicator, and you can see where when it hits the 92. The indicator itself, I set the tick value, the colors, whatnot, the width, the text font, etc. The visual.
Reversal bar up.
This one here I don't use, is visual triangle. I mean, obviously it's on, but I don't use
reversal bar up.
this right here. This shows when it hits a top. I don't need that. So I can turn that off. So that's not necessary. Audio for sure. The buttons, obviously, what color I want them, black, white. They're down there. It's fine. They could be changed. Calculate, all that. This is all standard stuff. And then my label, which I obviously use up here, which is my little legend for what things are. So that's basically all I need. Turn that back off. You can see how it turned. That's it. I don't know what else to say other than the fact that there's different time levels here. As you see, I'll just show you one time. It's going to cross this level. You'll hear the alert.
CL51 reversal bar down.
And that's my alert that tells me what it did. There's a bigger time frame, same thing, just different tick charts. So that's it, and then bigger, so on. So those are my charts that I deal with. So anyway, I'd like to have that, and for NinjaTrader 8, I think it's the greatest thing ever. Thank you very much.